5. Draw triangle PQR with sides PQ equal to 7 cm, QR equal to 8 cm and PR is equal to 5 cm and construct its orthocenter. So for the given measurements, we draw the rough diagram first. PQR 7 cm, QR is 8 cm, PR is 5 cm. Okay. So first we draw the triangle. So PQ is 7 centimeter. Take the measurements accurately, then only you will get the correct form. PQ 7 centimeter. Then QR 8 centimeter. So QR 8 centimeter. Then PR 5 centimeter. So at P, draw an arc, cut an arc. So now this point as arc. Okay. Now join PR and join QR. So QR is 8 centimeter, PR is 5 centimeter. Next, we construct altitudes from any two vertices. Okay. So first I construct a vertex. From the vertex, construct altitude from the vertex P. Okay. For that, you draw two arcs. The two arcs should be intersect with the line segment QR. Okay. So first keep the compass at P. Then just check yourself whether the arc is intersect at 2 points or not. Okay. Then you have to adjust your compass. Yes. Now I draw two arcs. Okay, this should be very careful. Then next we construct the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means from these 2 points you take more than half. Okay, then only only top side. Okay, so this is enough. So this is a point of intersection. So you draw a line from P. Okay, so this is the altitude from P. This is the altitude from P. Now I draw another altitude from Q. Okay, so at Q, draw same two arcs, cut the line segment PR. So I have only one point, so just I extend this line segment. So I just extend this line segment. Now check it at Q. Yes, now I get a two arcs. Okay, so from these two arcs again construct perpendicular bisectors. So more than half. So draw an arc and cut an arc. Now from Q, draw a line. Okay, so this is the altitude from Q. Okay, so this is the point of concurrency of the two altitudes denoted by H. Okay, again recall this. Sorry, this is the altitude. So from Q to this one, no. So this is the altitude. Q, you give one name. So this is I take it as A. This as B. Okay, so PA is the altitude and QB is the altitude. So this is the point of concurrency of the two altitudes denoted by H. So first draw the triangle with the given measurements, then draw two altitudes. Okay, that point of concurrency of the two altitude is known as orthocenter. Next, draw triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 110 degree and BC is equal to 5 centimeter and construct its orthocenter. So we draw a rough diagram. Rough diagram is no problem. That is whether it is a acute or obtuse, no problem. It is only rough diagram. So just to mark the measurements. 110 degree, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is a 110 degree obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means the ortho center should be lie outside the triangle. Okay. So for that, first we draw a line segment BC. So it is 110 degree. It is left hand side, isn't it? So we draw the line right half. Okay, right of the page. So BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is BC 5 centimeter. Next, keep the protractor at B. Take 110 degree. So 90, 100, 110. Okay, mark it. Then draw a line. So this is 110 degree. Now take AB is 6 centimeter. So take the measurement 6 centimeter. From B, cut an arc. Okay. Then this point you mark it as A. Now join AC. Join AC. Okay. So this is 6 centimeter. Now we construct the perpendicular bisectors. Okay. So from B, I draw two arcs intersecting the line segment AC. Okay. Yes. I get 2 points. So from these 2 points, we take more than half. Okay. So then from B, join the line. So this is an altitude. You mark it as D. So BD is the altitude of the triangle. Next I construct one more altitude. Okay. So for that, from C, I draw two arcs. So I will not get 2 points. So just I extend this line. Then only I get 2 points. So okay, yes, I'll get 2 points. Then construct the perpendicular bisectors with these 2 points. Okay, so more than half I'll take. Then this is the vertex from C, no? So draw a line segment from C. So this is the altitude of C. You mark it as E. Okay. So BD is one altitude and CE is another altitude. So the point of concurrency of these two altitudes. So this altitude, I'll extend this altitude. So this is the point of concurrency. Okay. So this is denoted by H. So obtuse triangle orthocenter is lying on outside the triangle. Okay. Thank you, children.